Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Ride With Me, and this is the birthday card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Ride With Me, and we're going to be using the truck, Happy Birthday, and Today Belongs to You, Ride with the Windows Open. So we will start with our stamping. I have a piece of silver foil sheet, and I have my STAZON ink pad, and then I have my truck mounted on a clear block eye. All right. So just like that. Next, I have the, I forgot what this punch is, but I also have another sheet of silver foil paper. And I'm going to punch this out first. And usually I would stamp it first, but because we're using the STAZON, we have to allow it time to dry, and I wanted to make sure that I didn't smear it. But as always, I will post the products on the video, and then you can click in the description to order. There's a link there. And then while we have the stamp pad out, I'm going to go ahead and stamp our card base, the inside. I have the Happy Birthday mounted on clear block G, and our card base is gray granite. So just Happy Birthday in the middle. All right, and that is all the stamping that we are doing. We can put this card together. I have a piece of the Neutrals Designer Series paper with the gray granite. And I'm just going to put it down with some SNAIL adhesive. And our matte piece is basic gray. And the basic gray is 4 by 5 1/4. And our Designer Series paper is 3 3/4 by 5. And then we'll put our card base down, or put this down on our card base rather. So just like that. Now, I went ahead and cut this out ahead of time. I fussy cut it, and I wanted to allow it plenty of time to dry. And I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. Maybe one right here in the belly. All right. And we'll just put it down right there. Excuse me. And I'm going to come in with a couple more dimensionals here on our sentiment. And I want it over here in the top right-hand corner. And then I have the little keys embellishment. And I'm just going to take your pick tool, and I'm going to roll that glue dot onto the tool itself. to where it's just a little dot. Take it off and then put it on the back here. Alright, and let's see. Kind of like it just hanging down like that, maybe. Yeah. So just like that. And then I have these designer elements, and they look like flowers, but I want to see what they actually look like if we put those kind of like the inside. So yeah, I think we are going to use these. I'm going to go ahead and use my tool to place it so it's right in the center of the wheel. So just like that. Oops. All right, so there you have it, a masculine happy birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!